Okay guys, I ordered something from the Nike store. This 4 item. This one is nothing, so I must be bring it cash back. I buy actually this item. Okay, let's check one by one. This is fuel cycles, and I will open this. This video is for my footage. This video is for my footage too, if I claim some products. Okay. Let's see what is inside. Empty. Okay, this is the things. Let's open this. Okay, well, this is a smaller one. This is the hanger for the car. You can see the material of the hanger like this. Put this in the headrest, back of the headrest, driver headrest. You can put something in here, I will show you after this how to use. Oh, nice. Oops. By the way, you can buy everything I show up in the link below. Okay, and this is the big one. You can see this item is this is the car headrest. Sorry, this is car seat headrest. Seems exactly okay. And then the other one is this one. You can see the real picture and the real prices. I'm not hiding the prices. There's any numbering pad, sitting pad. Oh, this is 3M double tips. For you put the number to here. And this is a rubber. I don't think it's rubber. And let's bring this out. Oh, it's so stinky. Actually, this is a stinky pad, so it must be stinky enough. Oh, the plastic is so what is that? So fragile. So when I open this, the plastic destroyed. Ta-da! These things. You can put this number to here. This is maybe your parking number, insurance number, phone number, or emergency call number by this. And I think you can make this more sticky with this. Well, like that. Here, and you put this in here to standing your phones. What is the other one? Okay, so you put this in here. Oh, this is from behind, I think. This is how I install that things from behind. Make sure it's the same, and your phone will be stand like this in your dashboard. Like this. I will make you see in my car after this. And this is actually the smaller one. The smaller one. Why I buy it too? Because in some cars, the smaller one is double plastic like this. because for some cars some dashboard is small. This one live view, so you can see the prices. This I buy this. Okay, this is actually the same items. You can see this. Oh, this is very thin, and it's already destroyed in here. Oh my god, it's very thin. You can see this is holes in here, almost holes, and your phone is sitting in here like that. It's safe enough. I will make you see how to install in the car. So this is the items that sorry, everything has been connected into one. So this is the item we buy. I buy this too. Thank you for watching. After this I will make you see how to install in the car. This one is used for the small dashboard car like this. You put just in here. It is very slick, cannot be moved, and you can put your phone in here. There is no move, or instead about that you can use your GPS put in here. You can use the GPS like that. It's stable. This is from the side, and you can drive it easily from here, exactly in front of you. That's nice. And you can use in here. This is not in here, and this has been used in here to put some your package, luggage package like that. Okay. And for installation in another car, you can pull this up and put in there like this. Just click. Yeah. Nah. Okay. And close the neck. Already installed. Ready to use. Nice. This is from the behind view. It's actually locking in there. Safe. Push down the headrest, and you can use this. Nice. And for the next item, this one is used for the car who has a big dashboard like this. Okay, you can charging your mobile in here, put in here, home keys in here, your phone number in here, or insurance or ID card in here number. You can put some money in here, and like this. It cannot be run, it's settled because it's slick, not slick. Okay, you can put in there your another phone in here, and this is already installed. Let's put in here so it's stuck, and put your phone in there like this. Okay, like because this is a plastic. You can see the GPS more precisely, but this use a 2 post. Oh, you can use the stand phone like this. You can use the side phone like this, or stand phone like this. The other phone sits here and charging while you're driving. Okay, very nice. So thank you for watching.